Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, June the 2nd, 2021. Here in this newspaper, the daily newspaper, we have three regular Sudokus. Sudoku mix, a binary Sudoku and a Sudoku Medium, three regular Sudokus. But in this newspaper there's also an additional with extra Sudokus or puzzles. I believe there are 7 extra puzzles, so a lot of puzzles to solve today. But first we will solve this baby, and this one will be number 2881. all right. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. 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 Then we have a double O here. Here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, and there one. Then. Let me see. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Then. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an one. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. Then. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. 2, 3, 4 ones. All right. Let me see. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. A double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5. 5 O's. All right. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, number 5, I cannot place it here, otherwise we have 3 O's in a row in this row, in the second row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So here cannot be a 1. This should be an O. All right. Double O, here one, there one. And then if I no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So this should be a 1. All right. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. All right. Then let me think. 3, 4, 5. Okay, here the same. Between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1. I do not know in which order. Here also the same, between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes. There's always an O and a 1. So we have here the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and the fifth one. So this box should be an O. Alright. Between two O's comes an 1. Alright. And here also 1, 2, 3, 4. Between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there. So this is the first one, second one, third one, fourth, and the fifth one. So this box should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I cannot place the 1 here, the fifth one. Otherwise, we have 4 O's in a row. Not allowed. One of the rules. So this should be an O. I think the 1 should be here, because then we have 2 O's there and 2 O's here. Yes, it should be. Yes. Okay. So here should be an O. Here should be an O. Otherwise, I get 3 O's in a row. Not allowed. One of the rules. Here, double 1. Here, no, there, no. Double O. Here, 1, there, 1. Between two 1s comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double 1. Here, no, there, no. Double O. Here, 1, there, 1. Double O. Here, 1, there, 1. Double 1. Here, no, there, no. Double 1. Here, no, there, no. Double 1. Here, no, there, no. Alright, between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s. So this is number 5 in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. So this must be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Completed in 7 minutes. Alright, great. Binary, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku. See you then. Bye bye for now.